YouTube, it's me Faheem Ali, and today in this amazing tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install iOS 12 beta on your iPhone, iPad. So it's really easy and it's quite simple. You just have to do is just go to this website from your phone and hit that download button or right away. As you can see, download profile. So to do that, you'll have to do is, guys, just go to your phone like I have right away. As you can see, let me just unlock my phone, go to like the Safari, and at the Safari just type ioslift.com. The link will be in the description, guys, so don't worry about the link, or just type it if you want. It's ioslift.com. So as you can see, the page is now opening. Once the page is open or loaded, guys, just scroll down till you find the Apple iOS 12 beta 1 release for developers. Enroll your device. So just click on that, guys, and wait for the page to load. So as you can see, once it's loaded, you will be right over here. As you can see, just scroll down till you find the download button. Oh, okay, right over here, as you can see, download profiles. Click on that, and now you will be redirected to the download page of this website. So once you are here, just hit that green download button which says iOS 12 beta profile. If you want the iOS 11 beta profile, just hit that iOS 11. But if you want the 12, as you are here for the 12, just click on the up button right away. As you can see, download. Just hit download, and as you can see, now it's asking, this website is trying to open the settings to show you a configuration profile. So just click on allow. This is a trusted website, so don't worry about anything. So once you are here, as you can see, it's asking you to install the profile. Just hit install, enter your passcode, and click install and hit the install button. I have already done it. So once you have done it, guys, just close Safari, like close it or whatever, and go to settings, and as you can see, general software update. So in the software update, you will see the update of iOS 12. So wait for it to load. So as you can see right over here, download beta iOS 12. So hit that. Like once you have downloaded the beta profile and the iOS 12, just hit install. Make sure your phone is connected to power, like any charging device. If it's low than 50%, and once, like if it's on 100% and your battery timing is really good, then you don't have to put the phone on charge. But if the battery, it sucks, like it doesn't last longer, then you have to like connect to a power source so your phone doesn't get off. So once you have like seen this, like it's asking for verifying update, so wait for it to verify, and this will take a while. And once it's verified, guys, your phone will be restarted and the iOS 12 will be installed on your iPhone. So yeah, that was it for now. As you can see, it's installing. This will take a while, so I'm gonna end this video and I will make another video while it's installing in the part 2, or I will give you another video where how you can use iOS 12. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Also like this video. Bye.